Online and mobile banking gives you the ability to manage your debit card. To manage your debit card in online banking, after logging in, from the main menu, choose Account Management. Then, Debit Card Services. Debit Card Services allows you to freeze your debit card, report your card lost, and advise us of travel plans. You can also activate your card if your card is not activated. To enable and disable your card to prevent transactions from happening on your debit card, it's as easy as toggling your card on and off. Temporarily disabling it will prevent any transactions from occurring on your debit card. When you're ready to use your debit card again, just toggle it back on, and your card is enabled and ready for use. If you've lost your debit card and no longer have it in your possession, click on your card and choose Report Lost. After you report your card lost, a new card will be mailed to you in 7 to 10 business days. The other option you have for managing your debit card is travel notifications. Anytime you'll be traveling with your debit card, it's a great idea to let the credit union know to ensure your transactions will be properly processed. Select Travel Notifications to advise us of your travel plans. Choose the card that you're traveling with, your departure and return date, and then choose where you'll be traveling to and hit Submit. Please allow 1 business day for travel notifications to be placed on your card.